Are you dreaming of Disney magic but don't have a park ticket? Well, you're in luck, because Disney's Wilderness Lodge has some hidden gems that are completely free to explore and full of that unforgettable Disney atmosphere. From a nighttime light parade to a cozy lounge and even a nod to Walt Disney's love of trains, this resort is a treasure trove of magic waiting to be discovered. Stick around, because I'm revealing 5 hidden gems at Wilderness Lodge you can enjoy without ever stepping into a park. Disney's Wilderness Lodge isn't just a place to stay, it's an experience. It's inspired by the Grand National Park lodges of the American Northwest. And the moment you walk into the soaring lobby filled with totem poles, a bubbling spring, and its rustic charm, you'll feel transported to another place in time. And the best part? You can visit even if you're not staying here and don't have a park ticket. Let's dive into our list of hidden gems that make this place truly special. First up, the Electrical Water Pageant. At nightfall, something magical floats across Bay Lake, literally. The Electrical Water Pageant is a classic Disney nighttime water parade that dates all the way back to 1971. It features charming sea creatures, patriotic music, and twinkling lights, all performed right on the water. At Wilderness Lodge, you'll have a front row view from the beach or the boat dock. No crowds, no cost, just peaceful, nostalgic Disney magic. Check with the front desk or My Disney Experience mobile app for the nightly schedule. It usually starts around 9 p.m. Number 2, Wilderness Lodge Resort's Territory Lounge. Welcome to Territory Lounge, a cozy tucked away spot that feels like a secret cabin in the woods. This lounge is open to anyone. You don't need a reservation or a hotel stay. Enjoy a craft cocktail, a glass of wine, or snack on delicious bites like bacon on the wire or caprese flatbread. It's the perfect stop after a day of resort hopping or Disney Spring exploration. It's peaceful, never crowded, and full of historic park details in its decor. Definitely a hidden gem. Number 3, take the free tour of Wilderness Lodge. Did you know that Disney offers a free resort tour right here at Wilderness Lodge? If you're staying at Wilderness Lodge, ask the front desk about the wonders of the Wilderness Lodge tour. It's led by a knowledgeable cast member who'll walk you through the resort's architecture, artwork, and all the hidden storytelling details. You'll learn how the lodge was inspired by Yellowstone's Old Faithful Inn, and you may even spot some design secrets you've never noticed on your own. It's educational, immersive, and a perfect activity for Disney history buffs, and usually takes place daily at 9 a.m. Number 4, Hidden Mickey Scavenger Hunt. Here's a fun one for families and Disney fans of all ages, a Hidden Mickey Scavenger Hunt. Ask the front desk for the Hidden Mickey clue sheet. There is one sheet for Wilderness Lodge and one for Boulder Ridge, and then start exploring the resort to find those iconic mouse ears worked into the design. They're carved into totem poles, hidden in carpets, etched in rock formations, everywhere. It's a fun, interactive way to explore the lobby, hallways, and even some outdoor spaces. And yes, it's totally free and doesn't require a reservation. Just a sharp eye and your sense of Disney adventure. We had a blast trying to find them during a recent trip. Number 5, Walt Disney Train Memorabilia. Walt Disney loved trains, and there's a hidden treasure trove of train memorabilia inside the Boulder Ridge Villa's lobby, right next door to Wilderness Lodge. Step inside and you'll find one of the coziest spaces anywhere at Walt Disney World Resort. As you enter, and to the right, you'll find a peaceful, fireplace-filled retreat filled with historic photos and even pieces of Walt's personal Carolwood Pacific Railroad. This is an emotional stop for longtime Disney fans. It's a tribute to the man behind the magic and his boyhood love of steam engines. Take your time to read the plaques, admire the artifacts, and feel that special connection to Walt himself. Whether you're a local or visiting Walt Disney World and have a non-park day and want to soak in some extra Disney magic, Wilderness Lodge offers more than most guests ever realize. Take your time, explore, and enjoy the beauty, history, and hidden magic around every corner. I hope you enjoyed this peek into Wilderness Lodge's hidden treasures. Let me know in the comments which of these gems would you visit first? Or do you have your own hidden favorite to share? Also, I'd greatly appreciate you hitting the like button and subscribing to this channel, or share with a friend, so you never miss more magical ways for finding your Disney. As always, keep making magic wherever you go.